Oh, that one was cool. I'm gonna see if it's got a big one. Where's this thunderstorm at, man?
That's a long thunder.
It's like getting closer and closer to the top. That's not a good sign. Wait. Let me check. Oh yeah, it's hitting us now. We're supposed to get a good hit now. You got any good ones yet?
It went like absolutely quiet.
Once you hear like the main road getting louder and louder, it usually means like when it rain. Oh, it's bright.
So it's starting to go more this way.
Mm-hmm. Three, two, one. Oh, it's over there too. Oh! Oh yeah, we're getting hit bad. It's just in the sky. So we're going from here. Oh, oh, it's over there. It's over there now. It's moving. It's quick. It like started from the middle, branched out. I think there's a sword right see like a bit of it. Some clouds. I'm just wondering if it's ever gonna be like if it's gonna be windy. The rain's still just very close to us, but it's not quite there yet. It's probably gonna rain in the next 5 minutes. Never mind. The rain's just passing by. The rain's completely missing us. Which is good. But it's getting really close. But we're never gonna get hit by any rain. Because. Whoa. And I was saying, that's the stuff that was over there is over there now.
Right. Yeah.
I'll move it over there.
Oh, now you got it to this tree here. That's not going that way. Oh, but the lamp.
Like that is good. That one like
You cut a little bit of that.
that one like got like you can see it in my eyes when I close it. We're in the perfect spot right now. Whoa! Oh, right above us! I'm scared.
Yeah, it's moved up above our heads.
It's scary. Yeah, it's getting loud now. Right above us.
Yep.
It's getting too close to our heads. That's enough.